In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad creatives with an AI agent on n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step in our workflow is setting up a trigger. You have two options here. You can either use a webhook trigger to pull in product data from another application, or you can opt for an n8n form trigger for a straightforward form that your team can fill out. This is where you'll want to gather essential information about your product. Things like the product name, who your target audience is, what the key benefits are, the desired tone of voice, and even the style of images you want to use should be included. Having this data on hand is crucial, and it sets the foundation for what comes next. Now let's move on to the AI agent node. This step is quite exciting because it's where the magic really begins. You'll want to connect this part of your workflow to a chat model. Make sure it's one that supports structured outputs, as this will enable you to gather data in an organized manner. In this node, you're going to program a system prompt that defines the agent as a performance marketer. You'll specifically request variations of headlines, body copy, calls to action, and guidance for image prompts, all in a structured JSON response. This step is critical because the more detailed your request, the better your outputs will be. Once you have your ad copy prepared by the AI agent, it's time for the fun part, image generation. To accomplish this, you'll either connect a dedicated image generation node or set up an HTTP request node to call a text-to-image API. Here, you'll need to map the generated prompt from the AI agent to ensure it's working with the right data. You'll also want to set parameters like image size and style to fit your brand's needs. If you've generated multiple variations of your ad copy, you can even set up a loop to create a corresponding image for each version. Now that you've got your ad copy and images created, it's important to save all that hard work. You can easily finish the workflow by using a Google Drive node to store your ad copy and images. This way, everything is neatly organized and accessible, but we're not done yet. You'll want to keep your team informed about these new marketing assets. For that, add an email or Gmail node to your workflow to automatically notify your team whenever new creatives are ready. This message can include links to the files in Google Drive, making it easy for them to access and review the materials. And that's it. You've successfully created an automated workflow in n8n for generating ad creatives using an AI agent. By following these steps, you'll not only save time, but also improve the efficiency of your marketing efforts. Remember, the more you experiment and play with the features n8n offers, the more tailored and effective your workflows can become. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.